How to use Microsoft Teams for training. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you how you can use Microsoft Teams for training. Using Microsoft Teams for training is a popular choice due to its robust features for communication, collaboration, and content sharing. What you want to do first is open up the Microsoft Teams in your laptop or PC. If you do not have it, you can download and install it. Once you have been signed into your account, you first of all want to create a team. For that, you want to click on the option of Teams, then click on this plus icon. Here you can either join team or create team by clicking on the first option. Once you click on this option, you can set up your team by adding the members. Once you have added the member, you can now set up channels. You can set up channels for different topics, modules, or sessions of your training program. This helps organize the discussion and resources. For that, you want to click on the plus icon and click on the Create Channel option. Once you have invited participants to join your team, you can add members individually or import a list from the CSV file if you have a large group. Then you want to schedule training sessions. Use the calendar feature in Teams to schedule training sessions. Include details such as date, time, agenda, and any materials participants may need. You want to encourage participants to use the chat feature for real-time communication during training sessions. This allows for quick questions, discussions, and sharing of insights. Utilize the team meeting feature to conduct live training sessions. You can share your screen, present slides, and interact with participants using video and audio. As the trainer, be available to provide feedback, answer questions, and offer support to participants as needed. You also have other features such as sharing resources and recording sessions. Using all these tools, you can very easily provide training using Microsoft Teams. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.